Hello everyone, this is Shweta Patil from Department of E&TC, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will discuss the topic Dining Philosopher's Problem, which is also called as DPP. So the Dining Philosopher Problem states that there are 5 philosophers sharing a circular table and they eat and think alternatively. There is a ball of rice for each of the philosopher and there are 5 forks, or we can also say chopsticks. The philosopher needs both the right and left chopsticks to eat. The hungry philosopher may only eat if there are both chopsticks available. Otherwise, the philosopher puts down their chopstick and begins to think again. This dining philosopher, it is a classical synchronization problem as it demonstrates a large class of concurrency control problem. The solution of this dining philosopher is to use a semaphore to represent a chopstick. A chopstick can be picked by an executing a wait operation on the semaphore and released by executing a signal semaphore. The structure of chopstick is shown here: semaphore, chopsticks, and 5. Initially, the elements of the chopsticks are initialized to 1 as the chopsticks are on the table and not picked up by any of the philosopher. The structure of random philosopher I is given as follows. Here we have the structure. In the above structure, first the wait operation is performed on chopstick I and chopstick I plus 1. This means that the philosopher I has picked up the chopstick on his side. Then the eating function is performed. After that, signal operation is performed on chopstick I and chopstick I plus 1. This means that the philosopher I has eaten and put down the chopstick on his side. Then the philosopher goes back to thinking. There are some difficulties with this solution also. The above solution makes sure that no two neighbor philosopher can eat at the same time. But this solution can lead to a deadlock. This may happen if all the philosophers pick their left chopstick simultaneously. Then none of them can eat and the deadlock will occur.